This XGIMI Horizon S Max 4K projector is redefining what a premium home theater setup can deliver. With ultra-sharp visuals, rich audio, and a seamless smart interface, this projector brings a true cinematic experience to your living room, bedroom, or dedicated entertainment space. Now bundled with a free floor stand valued at $159.99, it's easier than ever to create a professional and organized setup. From the first glance, the Horizon S Max impresses with its sleek and minimal design. It's compact yet stylish, making it easy to integrate into any room without compromising aesthetics. The free floor stand adds both versatility and convenience, allowing you to position the projector perfectly for your viewing needs. Picture quality is where the Horizon S Max truly stands out. It features native 4K resolution and HDR10 support, ensuring images are crisp, detailed, and vibrant. With 3100 ISO lumens of brightness, this projector delivers striking visuals even in rooms that aren't completely dark. Blacks are deep and rich, colors are accurate, and highlights shine with precision. Motion handling is exceptionally smooth, making fast-paced movies, sports, and gaming feel fluid and immersive. Setting up the Horizon S Max is straightforward. The projector features intelligent screen adaptation, which automatically adjusts focus, keystone, and alignment based on your room's layout. There's no need for manual tinkering. Simply place it, power it on, and it calibrates itself in seconds. This feature is a game-changer for anyone looking for a hassle-free home theater setup. The built-in Android TV platform gives access to thousands of apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and more. Navigation is intuitive, and Google Assistant voice control makes searching and launching content effortless. Streaming, browsing, and controlling your projector has never been simpler or faster. For gamers, the Horizon S Max delivers exceptional performance. Low input lag and smooth frame transitions ensure responsive gameplay, whether on a console or PC. Fast-paced action sequences feel precise, and the immersive 4K HDR visuals make gaming more engaging than ever. Audio performance is just as impressive. Dual 12W Harman Kardon speakers deliver rich, clear, and balanced sound. Dialogue, effects, and music all come through with depth and clarity that surpasses typical projector speakers. For users who want even more power, Bluetooth and HDMI eARC support allow seamless integration with external audio systems. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including dual HDMI 2.0 ports, USB ports, LAN, optical output, and Wi-Fi 6. This ensures smooth performance for streaming, gaming, and connecting multiple devices simultaneously. In everyday use, the Horizon S Max transforms your walls into a massive 150-inch theater screen. The combination of brightness, image clarity, and immersive sound elevates the viewing experience beyond standard TVs. The included floor stand makes it simple to adjust height and angle, ensuring perfect placement without cluttering your space. The Horizon S Max isn't just a projector. It's a complete entertainment solution. It blends advanced technology, ease of use, and premium design into a single device that delivers an exceptional home theater experience. If upgrading your home entertainment is on your agenda, this XGIMI Horizon S Max 4K projector is a standout choice. Grab yours now with the included free floor stand valued at $159.99 by checking the link in the description. Transform your living space into a cinematic haven and experience movies, games, and shows like never before.